iPhone 6s Cellular Antenna Replacement Guide. Make sure that the device is powered off. The tools that we'll need for this replacement are tweezers for managing screws, a plastic prying tool for disconnecting cables, a Phillips head screwdriver, 00 or 000 screwdriver, a pentalobe screwdriver, this is an Apple proprietary screwdriver, a suction cup, and a guitar pick for getting the phone open. Let's begin by locating the two pentalobe screws near the charging port. Go ahead and use the pentalobe screwdriver to remove the two pentalobe screws. With the screws removed, place a suction cup as close as you can to the home button. If the screen is badly cracked, use a piece of packing tape to go over the cracks in the screen so you can make a solid suction with the cup. When pulling on the suction cup, you'll see a small hairline separation just enough near the auxiliary port to insert a guitar pick. There is a notch there specifically designed for having an object inserted in that area. Once you get the guitar pick in, go ahead and twist it left to right to pry the screen apart. Make sure to go all around the contour of the screen when you're prying it apart. The stretchy rubber-like strings that you see here are the residual material for waterproofing the outer edge of the iPhone. The antenna is located in the top left corner. It's secured with 7 Phillips head screws. Go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips head screws that are securing the silver bracket, and go ahead and remove the bracket. Now remove the 2 Phillips head screws up in the side of the phone. With those 2 Phillips head screws removed, go ahead and unfasten the 3 Phillips head screws that are securing the antenna. You could just leave them in place. This will make it easier to manage them. You can lift up the antenna now and shake out the screws. Here's what it looks like. Reassembly. Installing the antenna is straightforward. Just drop it into its position. Then secure 3 Phillips head screws on the antenna center. Once the 3 screws are secured, go ahead and secure the top screws, the ones that go in sideways, 2 of them. Then place the bracket, the silver bracket, over the bottom of the antenna and secure the 2 Phillips head screws. And that's it. Starting at the top, make sure it's notched in at the top first, then laid in and clamped gently on both sides. Go around the contours, gently squeezing the screen into the phone. Go all the way around, make sure you got a good seal. Now secure the 2 pentalobe screws. These screws prevent the screen from popping out. With the 2 pentalobe screws secure, go ahead and power on and test the phone. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe, and check out more videos at appledollars.com.